some nitrile oils or anything?
Do I need nitroglifs?
You know what? No.
Okay. Then no.
Then no. Go ahead and clean it off a little bit. I'm gonna see if I can find another brush.
Nothing can stop me now.
I get into stuff like this and I wonder how old this oil is and who was the guy that put it in there.
I was kind of wondering that earlier.
Right?
Thinking, has that oil been in there since the 80s? I don't know.
It very well may have been. That's the kind of stuff that I always wonder when working on this kind of stuff. And that's honestly, I just really enjoy the ideas of it. Like, what if it was a woman like you, and she was learning how to change the oil on it? What if she put it in there?
Maybe.
What if it was some dumb kid? Does that sprocket come off separate? Okay, before I put anything in a bind, I think we can call it there. I'll do a little research, get a little more well-versed on it. So, what do you think? You interested? You intrigued?
Yeah.
Find it exciting?
For sure. There's a lot of parts.
There are a lot of parts. And there's way more than that once we get in here into the transmission. That is going to probably be a little daunting to you, but we got it.
The whole thing is daunting to me. I don't know anything about this, so.
Well, you don't have to worry about it. We're going to be able to get it together.
Yeah. No, I'm not worried about it.
Awesome. Good. I'm glad to hear that. I like that confidence. And, Yeah, we're just gonna have a lot of fun with this.
Alright. Sounds good.
Awesome. Before you go. Anyway, so this is the CB350 engine project. Hopefully we're going to transition this into 350. Hopefully we're going to be able to transition this into an entire motorcycle build, and really we're just going to have fun. So if you liked all of this, check out my other stuff on social media, Circle City Motorworks, and if you wouldn't mind, click subscribe. That way you can see when our new videos are going to come out, and hopefully Julie and I will be able to tear some stuff up after we get this really torn apart. You excited?
I'm excited.
All right, let's get it.